Your data is the backbone of your business, and losing it isn't an option. From accidental deletions to cyber attacks or hardware failure, downtime and data loss can put your operations at risk. Trendex Backup Solutions are designed to help reduce the risk of data loss and support your disaster recovery planning. With Trendex SecureBackup, your data is backed up automatically and securely every day. For added protection, SecureBackup can simultaneously replicate your backups to the cloud, giving you an extra layer of security beyond your local environment. As part of a resilient recovery strategy, Trendex SecurePath Recovery extends beyond traditional backups. In the event of a primary server hardware failure, the SecurePath device can function as a backup server, helping reduce downtime and maintain operational continuity. And in the most catastrophic, total loss scenarios, SecurePath enables a full server restore in the cloud. Your Trendex environment can be activated and running in hours, not weeks. Whether it's simple file recovery or full disaster recovery, Trendex Backup Solutions give you a comprehensive disaster recovery framework to help restore systems and data when needed. Security, continuity, and peace of mind, so your business keeps moving, no matter what.